It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Alright, we were off at the Asian market and we found jellyfish heads. Who can pass that up? The ingredients are jellyfish, saltwater potassium, sorbate, MSG, white sugar, light soy sauce, edible oil, sesame, and spring onion. Serving size, 10 ounces. There's 5 servings per container. You can even see into it, but you can't really see much. So let's open those up. It has instructions on what to do. Open and pour the jellyfish into a dish, drain it, and stir with flavor well, and then serve. Alright, it came with 4 different packets of stuff that I dumped in. I'll grab a fork and stir it up. The smell is quite strong. I'll let the boys tell you all about the smell when I bring it outside to them. Alright, here we go. You boys are dancing. You look excited.
No, we don't want to eat brains! Because that's
Brains?
what they exactly look like.
Jellyfish heads, not brains.
They do look like brains! Guess what? Jellyfish heads have the brains in them.
Alright, first let's do a smell test.
I think I might pass out of that.
What is that smell like?
Tuna fish. No, at first it smelled like tuna fish, but now it smells so salt water. Salt water. Smells like salt water mixed with soy sauce, mixed with
Everything.
oil, mixed. It just tastes like, it smells like salt. Do I have to eat the whole thing?
Here it comes.
Do I have to eat the whole thing? Can I just take a tiny nibble?
Pop it in and try it out. Chew it up. Tell us what the texture's like.
Oh, that's gross. Tastes like it feels like cartilage.
Chew it up.
It's really hard. It's like the pieces of chicken legs are black. That are really crunchy, but they're edible. Ugh.
What are you doing? You're supposed to chew it up and swallow it.
It's too gross.
So, that must be a thumbs up, huh?
No, it's worse than that. Bad. If I had 10 pairs of arms, all of them would be thumbs down. And my toes are down right now. So I'd have toes down, thumbs down.
So what are you going to do with it in your hand? You're going to save it for later?
I'm gonna throw it away.
All right, go ahead. Throw it away. All right, here's a bite.
Textures. Gross. Okay, I will eat it.
What's the flavor like?
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce? I thought you liked soy sauce.
I don't like this though.
I remember that time that we tried soy sauce and the coconut aminos, and you talked about how good it was. Hey, James, you're drooling.
I know, I can't hold it in.
Don't hold it in, just swallow it down.
No.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Alright, go get
You
me.
better go find a garbage can or something. Ready?
No.
Give it a try.
Oh.
How's the texture when you bite into it? It's a jellyfish, right? It should be like eating Jello. What's it like?
Eating raw sticks with barf.
Raw sticks with barf? Wait, swallow it down.
I don't.
You can't. Why not?
So thumbs up or thumbs down? Don't take that crap in the house. Get rid of it. Don't even take that back in the house.
I'm not. As soon as I opened the outer package, I could smell it.